Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a Minecraft server for free. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to minecraft.net/download and scroll down to Minecraft server software. Choose Java Edition and download the server jar file. Once downloaded, create a new folder on your desktop called Minecraft server and move the jar file into it. Next, make sure Java is installed. Go to java.com and download Java and complete the installation and restart your computer if needed. Now open the server folder and double click the server jar file, and this will generate files, and open the EULA text file and change the false to true and then save and close. Then double click the server file again to start the server. When you see done, your server is running. Open Minecraft and go to multiplayer and click add server and type localhost as the server address. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.